Hello and welcome, Donnell Price here. Exploring the intricate dynamics of the human mind is a journey that leads to endless discoveries and profound insights. From the complexity of emotions to the depth of consciousness, understanding the human mind unravels the secret of our thoughts and behaviors. Let us embark on the exploration together, delving deep into the mystery of our psychic to uncover the true essence of human nature. Join me on a journey of transformation through the powerful combination of coaching and hypnosis. Together, I will give you the tools to unleash your full potential and break free from any limitations holding you back. Trust in this transformative process and watch as you step into a life filled with empowerment, clarity, and purpose. Are you ready to unlock the new level of self-discovery and achieve your goals with ease? Let's embark on this journey together and create the life you truly desire and deserve. Go to my website, donnellprice.com, and book a free video consultation and strategy session.